Welcome to Deroko Technology Company. That is how we have come out to create this practical board to demonstrate the analog system we are living in, and Deroko Technology is moving you to the digital system. Some people may ask, how can electricity move from analog to digital? You can see clearly that in the old system we are living in right now, every house in the country uses this type of wiring, of which you have your fuse, you have your indicators, and you have the distribution board, talking of represented by breakers and other stuff. But there is a three-phase wiring. When you talk of it, this is a three-phase wiring. And this three-phase wiring, we have the red phase, the yellow phase, and the blue phase, indicating the whole system. And you can see to it that the red phase has been represented as a room, single room here. The yellow phase is represented as a single room here, and the blue phase is represented by a single room here. The same applies to the digital. It is also indicated in such a way that this has a three-phase wiring, the same three-phase wiring, but this is the red phase, this is the yellow phase, and this is the blue phase. You can use this diagram as a three-phase wiring, or you can use it as a single room self-contained wiring, of which it has been segmented into three parts. The board is designed in such a way that it will help us to identify the problem we are facing in this world, contributing to climate change. This device is called the spider sensor and AI distribution board. This device is new in the system, and this device also is new in the system because this device is made up of all the gadgets in the system. Talking of you have the fuses. I'm talking of the cutout, and we have breakers, talking of represented by original fuses, and we have fault detecting sensor in it. We have fault detecting sensor in it, and we have the neutral connections. But this distribution board, the earth is eliminated from it. The earth is eliminated. We don't have earth connections in this distribution board. All the earth is being fed with this device called the spider sensor to monitor the whole system to prevent leakages of current. In other way, I will say that this device has a major role to play in our daily lives because we will not be safe without the world escaping this device. Deroko Technology has come out with this special device to eliminate all problems caused by electricity, talking of electrocution, fire outbreak, and leakages of current that generate heat in the atmosphere. With the help of this device, I would like you to understand the whole concept. You can see clearly that this distribution board is one in town. All of us, we want it. It has supported a lot for us. Why am I moving the world from this analog distribution board or the whole system of wiring to this newly distribution board and the whole system of digitalization? Why is it so? We can see clearly that this distribution board consists of the live and the neutral and the earthing system in it. Okay. Meaning that when the tender rod is nipped under the ground, you can see to it that it comes to connect to all the socket. It connects to all the socket so that when there is leakages of current, it can affect the whole system. When one device is faulty, it can affect the whole system. But in this digitalization, I'm talking of when the tender rod is nipped under the ground, the soil, the earth is connected to this device to convert it to neutral power to make sure that there is balance between the live and the neutral power. There is a balance between them. And the Ethernet cable from the socket, all of them supposed to be connected to this device. I'm talking of the spider sensor, to make sure that there is a monitoring in the system. So that when one device on your socket is faulty, this spider sensor will protect other devices from electrocution or fire outbreak. And at the same time, it will also protect the earth from electrocution. We have seen many cases that transformer is being exploded. How can that be possible, that a transformer is being exploded? These are the leakages of current. During rainfall, the tender rod competes with the earth, talking of the neutral power generated by the ground. We all know that wind plus water and the soil generate a higher neutral to make sure that the ozone layer is strong. Recently, we discovered that the ozone layer is being depreciated by these dams powers which support us in our daily lives. I can plainly tell you that from now onwards, this all problem you will see will be solved by Deroko technology. This device will help contributing to climate change to support eliminate all problems from electricity. Clearly, I invented this device mainly to solve all electrical problems in our houses and protect us in our using of electricity. Well, we will let you know how this device is being connected. You can see clearly that from the meter, this device passed through a breakers, and the lines, talking of the red phase, yellow phase, and the blue phase, and the neutral, pass through this spider sensor, and we will convert them all to the distribution board to distribute it to the whole system. When we talk of this sensor, it is an indicator that is connected to the spider sensor to create awareness when there is a plug-in faulty or danger leakage device. This will signify for you to know that there is fault or danger on a specific device being plugged in. Or let me say, if you are asleep and all gadgets is being plugged on the system, if one device gets faulty, because we know that every device in the system or in this world has expiring dates, and due to electrical fluctuations, every device can generate fault at any time. And when a device generates fault, we don't have any device to alert us or protect us from that danger or create an awareness for that danger. But with the help of this digitalization, we moving from the analog system to this digital, this device will help us analyze this kind of all the problem so that it will be easy for us to identify the problem, and we will be protected using this device. This device have a major role to play in our daily lives. Clearly, when the tender rod is being grounded, you need to put the cable connected from the tender rod to this device to convert it to neutral energy. This device will protect us from electrocution and prevent any fire outbreak. How can that be possible? We will now let you know some of the functions of this special device in the system. I will plainly tell you that this device suppose when you get 12 way of this distribution board, we need to get 12 way of this device also. You cannot use this device and reject this device. It is never possible, because the earth need to connect to this device to monitor the whole system from leakages of current, to create awareness, to prevent device to set up fire from the same socket or the same distribution board. This device will help protect many lives across the world. How is this device useful in our daily lives? In our houses, we use this distribution board. It has supported a lot by a major role, a crucial role in this climate change, of which we don't know. And practically, we will demonstrate how dangerous using this device have caused life in this era. That's why Deroko has sat down to come out with a special device to support the system and to protect every individual. Even aquatic habitat will be protected from deadly electrocution. The earth will be saved to generate a higher neutral power, protect us in this UV radiation from the sun. With the help of this special device, many lives will be saved. Many people who did not meet the Deroko technology device, talking of the spider sensor, have died because this device will protect us from electricity threat in worldwide.